Jesus, your name is wonderful. Jesus, your name is powerful. Oh Jesus, your name is wonderful. There is no other name to compare with your name. Our Father, oh, I say your name is wonderful. Oh Adonai, your name is so precious. Oh Jesus, your name is wonderful. There is no other name to compare with your name. Your name is wonderful, Lord. Your name is excellent. Your name is so powerful. At the mention of your name, at the mention of your name, every knee shall bow. At the mention of your name, every tongue confess, say that Jesus is the Lord. Your name is wonderful. No other name to compare with your name. Oh Jesus, your name is wonderful. Oh Jesus, your name is precious. Oh Jesus, your name is wonderful. There is no other name to compare with your name. You are so kind, oh Jesus, you surprise your people. You show mercy, oh, upon those that seek you. You show compassion, oh, upon those that need you. Oh Jesus, you are a supernatural God. Our Father, oh, I bow before your name. Ancient of days, oh, I bow before your throne. I join the 24 elders of heaven. I join the heavenly angels. I join them to worship you because your name is great. When I call up your name in my business will flourish. When I call upon your name, oh, in my ministry will boom. When I call up your name, oh, in all my endeavors, oh Jesus, your name is so great. Oh Jesus, Jesus. Oh Jesus, you are so wonderful. Oh Jesus, oh, your name is powerful. There is no other name to compare with your name. Oh Jesus, your name is powerful. Oh Jesus, your name is wonderful. Oh Jesus, your name is wonderful. There is no other name to compare with your name.
What is that thing that you are passing through right now? Begin to call upon the name of Jesus. Begin to call upon the name of Jesus. In your family, call upon the name of Jesus.
Adonai, I bow before your presence, because when I go with you, everything will be alright with me. Oh Jesus, your name is precious. Oh Jesus, your name is powerful. Oh Jesus, your name is wonderful. Oh Jesus, your name is excellent. There is no other name to compare with your name.